Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This Bel-Air Meadows property is just for you. This lovely single family home sits on just a little over 1 acre of lush green fruitful landscape that provides you with the perfect ocean view of the wonderful St. Anne Parish. Its two-story opens up to an exquisite foyer with grand staircase that takes you to the upper floor of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 2 balconies, closet, and a den. The ground floor boasts a master suite with ensuite bath and walk-in closet, kitchen, living, dining, laundry unit, powder room, and a double garage. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.